Microsoft just built a badge that can see you, hear you, and write down everything you say. And it is already being tested on real workers. It is called Project Solara. Microsoft revealed it at its Build conference in May 2026. At first glance, it looks like a normal work ID badge, the kind you clip to a lanyard to get through a door. But this one packs a camera, a microphone array, a fingerprint scanner, a small touch screen, and its own 5G connection. In other words, it is a tiny computer that lives on your chest and points out at the world all day. Here is the part that changes everything. You tap the badge once, and it records and transcribes the conversation in front of you. One tap, no phone, no laptop, just a quiet little device turning your words into searchable text. And instead of running normal apps, the badge runs what Microsoft calls AI agents, software that listens, summarizes, and acts on what it hears. Microsoft pitched this as a tool for busy office workers, a hands-free assistant for people stuck in back-to-back meetings. But look at where the first real pilots are rolling out. Best Buy, CVS, Levi's, and Target. Those pilots started the first week of June 2026. So the first people wearing the listening badge are not executives. They are cashiers, stockers, and pharmacy techs. The assistant for knowledge workers quietly became a body cam for the shop floor. Think about a normal shift. Every chat with a coworker, every word to a customer, potentially captured. A complaint about a manager. A vent during a hard day. A private aside. All of it can become data. And once a moment is recorded and transcribed, it does not just vanish. It can be stored, searched, and reviewed later. Now, to be fair, workplace monitoring is not new. Companies have tracked clicks, keystrokes, and locations for years. Delivery drivers already get scored by in-cab cameras. Warehouse workers already get timed by software. What is new is strapping an always-ready microphone to a person and pointing it at every conversation they have. Companies will say it is about efficiency, faster help for customers, automatic notes, less paperwork. And some of that is genuinely useful. A worker who hates writing reports might love a badge that does it for them. But efficiency and surveillance are made of the same data. The notes that help you are the records that watch you. The real questions are simple. Who can listen to these recordings? How long are they kept? And can a customer nearby even consent? In many places, recording a conversation needs the consent of the people in it. A badge on a stranger never asks. There is also the chilling effect. People behave differently the moment they know a microphone is always on. The easy jokes with a coworker, the honest feedback to a boss. Those go quiet when everything is on the record. So what can you actually do if a badge like this shows up at your job? Ask the basic questions. What is recorded? Who sees it? How long it is stored? And whether you can turn it off. Read the policy you sign. Learn the recording laws where you live. And remember, public pushback has rolled back surveillance tools before. Project Solara is just one badge, but it is a very clear signal of where work is heading. The office of the future might not have a manager watching over your shoulder. It might have one clipped to your shirt. If you want tech stories explained without the hype, subscribe. We break down a new one every single day.